If air conditioning coil fins get bent during cleaning, you need to restore straight, evenly spaced fins quickly to prevent airflow restriction and efficiency loss. Start by turning off power to the unit and allowing the coil to dry so you can see the full extent of the damage. For light, localized bends use a soft touch with your fingers to gently realign individual fins by running a fingertip along the fin plane from top to bottom. This reduces the chance of tearing the thin aluminum. For larger areas, measure the fin spacing and choose a fin comb with the closest matching teeth spacing to avoid creating new bends. Insert the comb at the top and pull down steadily following the existing fin angle so you do not overbend. If fins are crushed together, work from the outer edges inward to gradually open gaps rather than forcing from the middle, which can ripple the sheet metal. When fins are pushed into contact with the refrigerant lines, or obstructors, use needle nose pliers with cloth-wrapped jaws to very gently bend the fin away in small increments so you do not cut the tubing. If fins show corrosion, large tears, or the straightening process creates leaks or exposes copper return bends, stop and schedule a professional repair, because damaged coils can leak refrigerant and require section replacement. Common mistakes include using too much force, which rips or snaps fins and can damage the tube headers. So always use gentle pressure and the correct fin comb size to avoid worsening the problem. Another frequent issue is not cutting power first, which risks electric shock or fan injuries. So always isolate power at the breaker and confirm the fan is off before working. People also overlook checking for bent fins on both the evaporator and condenser, so airflow remains restricted even after one side is fixed. Inspect and treat both coils and run the system briefly after repair to confirm improved airflow and stable operating pressures. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us list projects and receive responses from pros near you. And our community discussion boards let us share experiences about repairs like fin straightening and get practical advice from other homeowners. We help contractors find work by allowing them to respond to homeowner postings and participate in the site discussions to build local reputation and get leads.